Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to OpenWeather for weather features and apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the OpenWeather website at openweathermap.org. On the home page, locate the menu at the top. Click on Pricing to view the subscription options available. Review the different plans to determine which one suits your needs. Select the plan that includes the weather features you want. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button associated with your chosen plan. Fill out the registration form with your email and a secure password. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email. Once verified, log in to your OpenWeather account. Navigate to your account dashboard. Locate the API Keys section within your dashboard. Click on Create API Key to generate a new key for your application. Label your API key for easy identification later. Copy the generated API key to your clipboard. Now, head to the documentation section to familiarize yourself with the available weather features. Select the features you wish to implement in your app. Follow the API documentation for integration instructions. In your app, paste the API key where necessary to access weather data. Test the integration to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Make any required adjustments to your app's code as needed. Once everything is set up, you are ready to enjoy real-time weather features in your applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.